Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. To get more interesting and informative videos, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's start our video. In today's video, we will discuss selection of tags and importance of tags. Okay. Now the question is, what are tags on Fiverr? Whenever you create a new gig on Fiverr, the first step is to set up a title for your gig. Okay, during setting a title you can only use one or two keywords on that page. Fiverr also allows you to select 5 more keywords that are your supporting keywords. Okay, you can choose 5 keywords. Let's say for example I am offering service of article writing on Fiverr. I can write blog post writer, website content writer. So, because you never know when a buyer comes to Fiverr, what he will search on the search page. Okay, so use these 5 keywords tags wisely. Why tags are important? As I mentioned earlier, you never know what the buyer will search on Fiverr. He might search blog post writer, he might search content writer, or whatever he likes. So Fiverr allows you to choose 5 keywords so that you appear in search engines. I will tell you by showing example of tags, how tags works and why you choose them wisely. Okay, let's move to our practical work. Example of tags. For example, you are offering the service of PowerPoint presentation. First of all, write PowerPoint on Fiverr. Okay, these are the services you get on the first page. Okay, go through them. Next, open an other bar, and in this write presentation, PowerPoint presentation, another keyword. Okay, now you have two tabs open and explore whether you find any similarity or not. Means when you write presentation PowerPoint, the results appear in this page and result appear in this page are similar or different. Now you will get the importance of PowerPoint tags. Now open third bar, and in this use a combination of keyword PowerPoint presentation. Okay, now we will see which gig is appearing on all the 3 pages. We have choose different tags. Okay, now first of all let's check here. Open this gig. I will create a superior PowerPoint presentation. Okay, when we searched PowerPoint, we open this gig. Now we have searched again PowerPoint presentation, and interestingly this gig is again here. Okay, 2. Now we again search for the third time with a different keyword. We searched PowerPoint presentation, which is a combination of previous 2 keywords, and we get this gig here. So it means this guy is using these tags in his gig description, because in his gig title he has just mentioned I will create a superior PowerPoint presentation. One keyword is here, PowerPoint presentation, and rest of the keywords, that is PowerPoint and presentation, PowerPoint and presentation, he has used it in the tags. Okay, so let's see what tags he is using in his gig, so that you can get an idea why it is important to choose tags. You can choose it according to your service. Let's say I have given you example, I am content writer, I will write article writer, blog post writer, website content writer, product description writer, and whatever my services are, so that when a person comes to my gig, he search by, whenever a buyer comes to Fiverr, he search different keywords, so that your gig appears in the search engine and you get orders. Okay, now here it is, he is using the keyword for presentation design, PowerPoint, presentation, keynote, and pitch deck. Whenever you search for these two keywords, his gig will appear in the search results, because he is using these 5 tags that are most commonly searched on Fiverr. So this is the importance of tags, and I hope you will understand. If you have any queries, you can leave a comment and I will respond to your query in the comment section. Okay, as I told, example of tags: PowerPoint presentation and PowerPoint presentation. It was a combination of previous two keywords. So don't forget to subscribe my channel Noman Khizar on YouTube, and thank you. In the next video I will discuss the importance of staying online on Fiverr. Some people say it is not important to remain online on Fiverr. No, I will prove it by example. So wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.